Hello, good day ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Eureka Archery. Right now, I am somewhere in KL. I am actually inside a papaya farm. You can see papaya. So basically this is a land that we are actually currently looking into to build an archery park, or rather an archery range. And in this area, quite interestingly, we're able to do very long distance. So let me just try to get the camera back up there. Alright, so here what we can do is really long distance. I've got my straw hat here because the weather is quite hot. And here is the range. This is actually right in the middle of KL, approximately, I would say, 5 minutes from Jalan Duta. This is somewhere in Segambut. And after looking at the range, there is a possibility that we can make on this side here, there's a small lagoon down there. We can make it into a 3D area. Behind me, the entire stretch, if let's say the trees and the things are really located or moved, we can shoot up to 500 meters. But for phase 1, what we'll do is we'll have one long range area from this tree line to that tree line at the back behind me. That is about 130 meters. So we actually have our rangefinders and our drones flying above to capture the aerial view of the place so that we can plan this better. So the plan to do here is it's going to be full on for traditional archery and also for long range shooting, and you can actually even do flight shooting here, provided if we can clear the area. So maybe after this we'll put on some targets, we'll shoot some arrows, we'll see how it is. Alright, so now after doing some aerial shooting and scouting the area, I have a puta target there at 40 meters approximately, just to try it out or how it feels like to shoot here. Of course, if you miss, it's gonna be it will take a long time for you to find the arrow because of the undergrowth, but let's just have some fun. So that's left. We'll just shoot 3 because I don't want to be spending so much time looking for arrows. Hit. So with a long distance, you can't do fast shooting. You just make sure that your form anchor is all right so that you don't miss the target. Just slightly, last arrow. Again, too high. So let's take a look together. So for this area, currently there are papayas on the left. There's also a grove there. So this area that I'm shooting at, this will be the beginner's area, and I'd like you to follow me to behind the target where I'll show you the entire range. Let's go. Towards all the way there, you see the tree line there. This particular land has all the way beyond that. So after calculating with the Google Maps and using our rangefinder, as well as having an aerial shot using the drone, it is about 500 meters long. So if we are to do this right, this could be the longest archery range in Kuala Lumpur and potentially in Malaysia. So if you're here to do traditional archery, flight shooting, this location is not that far. Like I said earlier, between 5 to 10 minutes from the KL city centre. We are looking to develop this into an archery zone. Myself with Mr. Charlie behind us here, we are looking to see what else we can do. So Charlie, what do you think?
Excellent.
Excellent. Alright, how many archers do you think you can fit in here? 100?
Minimum 50 to 60.
Minimum, huh?
Yeah.
Minimum, okay. So ladies and gentlemen, we'll be coming here more often to check out some place, and we'll be working closely together with our partners here. So Mr. Charlie is one of them. We do have another partner which has just left. So as time progresses, we will share with you on the updates on this place, and we are hoping to launch this in January. So we have until the end of December to really make this place into the archery center in the city. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, if you are in Kuala Lumpur, in Selangor, or anywhere from Malaysia actually, this facility, we want to work it out to be one of the best archery academy, archery center, a one-stop center right here in Klang Valley, right smack in the city. So until next time, my name is Anwar Masaad and with me is Mr. Charlie. Like, subscribe and share this video. We are Eureka Archery. Be an archer today.